Alright, we're back today with a small install. Gonna install my wing. Just got it back from paint today. It looks freaking sick. It's got cut and buffed today, this morning, and now it's time to put it on the car. There guys, I got the wing fully installed. I absolutely love how it looks. It's definitely what I want my dream car to be, and fucking stoked. Shout out to Dave. He painted this wing for me in a week and it turned out amazing. Looks like glass. But fuck yeah.
Many Tic Tacs later.
I'm out in the FD, we're heading to the ranch. Bro's taking his truck to pick up the trailer. We're gonna go up to Drew's house and pick up the 240 and bring it to the ranch so we can get it sorted out. I'm dropping the FD off to get an exhaust finished up, so I'm pretty hyped on that. Give us some limiter.
The next morning.
It's your boy. We out here with Justin and Sam. Say hi. Hi. Anyways, pulled that bitty out of that bitty.
Yeah.
Did all that grease and grime.
She's a little crusty.
Disgusting. And then, what do you think the plan is? Is it gonna happen?
I hope so.
So we're gonna. Russell wants to put the engine from. There's a B. From that Corolla into that Corolla. This would be a good time. Like Fujiwara.
You ready for Toby?
Indeed. Now say something to the camera.
Say something to the camera. Just go there. It's gone. It's gone. Oh, look at the bee.
Just then.
Alright guys, we're gonna have a full day today. We're going to yank this motor out and put it on the engine stand and tear down. And then gonna wait for Jordan and Justin to get here, but for now I got some new lights for the FD. Headlight bulbs. Took a gamble on it, see how they do. Alright, so here's the before. Kind of hard to tell. But when I'm driving this thing at night, it's really hard to see on the road. So I'm hoping these lights brighten that up, which I'm sure it will. So in order to change the bulb, there are these two screws back here, and then there's two more in the front. And I believe that's how we get the cover off. And then once we get that cover off, we have access to the bulb. Alright, so there's two more screws that are up here. So there's two in the front, two in the back. And this cover just pops off. I already got this one off, so that was really easy. Just two back ones off, this just pop right off. just like that. Alright, let's switch those bulbs. Alright, so I just got one installed. See if you can see the difference. You can't see it on camera, but there's a little bit of blue in it. And here's this one. Definitely more yellow. This one's more of a white. Sweet. So I'm going to show you how to actually remove the bulb. Pull the clip off. And you got this rubber boot thing. This just pulls right off. Dirty as heck. So you got that clip right there. You want to push it towards the car and over. And then the light comes out. Easy as that. So when you're installing these headlight bulbs, you never want to touch the actual bulb itself because it'll probably heat up from the grease on your fingers and just blow up, so don't touch the bulb. Alright, officially both have the new headlight bulbs in, and wow, what a difference. Well, you can kind of see some of the blue right there. Cool. Easy job. No, not yet. I still haven't.
We're getting
Do you want the 20?
Almost
I
ready to
left on
come
the
out.
shelf. It's in the little money jar.
Yeah, I guess so. What's all that's left? Motor mounts?
motor mounts,
Is that a heater hose?
heater hose, transmission mounts. You got to get underneath the car, do all the no, just transmission mounts. So motor mounts, transmission mounts, drive shaft, clutch, slave cylinder.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Almost there, boy.
Yeah. So when are we gonna get that 240?
Dude, we should go tomorrow and check it out. We'll take a trailer and everything.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Leia, you mad? Take a peek. Woo! Nice. That was a good jump. Rip.
It's like watching a rally race.
It is. I'd have to say Leia's a little bit on the pissed off side. Yeah, she is. Oh. Go for a rip.
Let her rip, tater chip.
I like how you can just watch the throttle cable. I know. Do that again, Justin. So good. It's a blow-off valve. Well, sis, going for a ride. Be gentle. almost ready to yank her.
She was full of oil, boys.
Yeah, she was. I think more's gonna come out when it's
Oil and there's cat litter in there too.
Oh.
Yeah. Drained the tranny, pulled out the shaft, the exhaust. About to unbolt the tranny mount, and then pull this bitch. Alright. Engine's out. Oh, yo. Pretty hyped on this. See ya. Later.
Later.
Thank you.
God's plan, God's plan. I feel good sometimes I